and thanks for watching this official IQ Shield installation video. Today, we'll be featuring a method designed to maximize the ease of installation. This will help eliminate most problems with this process, such as bubbling and alignment. Using our installation spray, you will find that installing IQ Shield is quick and easy. Let's get started. Each IQ Shield package includes everything you will need: installation spray, lint-free cloth, squeegee, and of course, your new IQ Shield protector, designed specifically for your device. First, let's prepare a flat, clean work environment. Dust, lint, or hair can get under your screen protector if it's installed in a messy workspace. Remember to wash your hands after cleaning your workspace. This will further reduce the chance of imperfections on your screen protector. The first thing you want to do is turn the device off and remove the battery. If the battery is embedded, turning the device off should be enough. Next, spray some solution on the lint-free cloth and clean the device. The solution included is not an adhesive. It is water mixed with a small amount of cleaning solution and will not leave any residue once dry. Now that we have completed the setup, it's time to install your screen protector. Before handling your screen protector, spray your fingers with the solution. It's important to keep your fingertips wet during installation, as it helps keep fingerprints from getting under your IQ Shield. Spray a light coating of solution on top of the film. This will keep the film from stretching during the squeegee process later on. With your fingers still wet, carefully peel the screen protector from the backing and be sure to have the adhesive side face up. Use the installation bottle to spray a complete, even layer on the adhesive. If your IQ Shield is dripping wet, then you sprayed too much. If that happens, simply shake off the excess liquid. Carefully place your IQ Shield on your device's screen. The installation solution acts as a lubricant that allows your screen protector to move around with ease. If the screen does not move easily, carefully peel it off and apply more solution. Once you are satisfied with the position of the screen protector, take one hand and firmly hold down the device. With the other hand, squeegee out the bubbles and the solution. Move the squeegee from the center of the device to the edges. Take careful precaution not to push any of the liquid into the holes of the device. The screen may move during this process, so take time to reposition the fit. As the liquid is removed, it will become more difficult to maneuver the screen protector. After the installation, wipe off any remaining liquid and leave the device to dry for 12 to 24 hours. We recommend installing your protector at night before bed for best results. You may have some cloudiness, bubbles, or a rainbow residue left over, but do not worry. This will disappear as the screen cures within the next day or two. Thank you for watching this installation video. We hope that this video has been helpful to you. If you have any issues with your installation, feel free to contact our customer service department for help.